Hey there. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of clematis and uncovering the secrets to growing an abundance of those stunning, colorful flowers. Clematis is one of those plants that can truly transform your garden into a breathtaking oasis. So stick around as we share some essential tips and tricks for cultivating these beauties. Welcome to our channel, all about gardening tips and tricks. If you love flowers and want to see your garden bursting with color, you're in the right place. Today, we're focusing on clematis, a stunning vine known for its lush blooms. Growing clematis might seem tricky, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll have all the know-how to grow clematis like a pro. First things first, let's get to know our star, the clematis. Did you know there are many types of clematis? Some climb, some sprawl, and they come in an array of colors: purple, pink, white, and even blue. These versatile vines can be trained to climb trellises, fences, or even through trees. Picking the right clematis variety is crucial. For beginners, go for the large flowered hybrids like Nellie Moser or Jackmanii. They're hardy and forgiving. If you're tight on space, consider compact varieties like Clematis de Bouchaude. Remember, choosing a clematis that suits your climate and garden space is key to success. Planting. Clematis prefer well-drained soil and like their roots to be cool. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball and amend the soil with compost. Put your clematis deep, about 2 inches below the soil line. This encourages strong root growth and protects the plant from pests and diseases. Watering is essential, especially during the first year. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Layer of mulch helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool. As for feeding, a balanced fertilizer in early spring and after the first flush of blooms will keep your clematis happy and flowering. Clematis are natural climbers, but they'll need a little guidance. Use trellises, arbors, or sturdy supports for them to cling to. As they grow, gently tie the stems to the support using garden twine. This not only looks neat, but also encourages upward growth and more blooms. Pruning scares off many gardeners, but it's simple once you know how. Prune based on your clematis type. Some bloom on new growth, others on old wood. If unsure, prune lightly right after flowering. This encourages new growth and sets the stage for next year's blooms. Lastly, let's tackle pests and diseases. Watch out for aphids and powdery mildew. A blast of water or insecticidal soap usually does the trick. Keep an eye out for wilt diseases too. If a stem suddenly wilts, act fast and prune it out to save the rest of the plant. And there you have it, your guide to growing loads of clematis flowers. Remember, with a little care and attention, these stunning vines will reward you with an explosion of color season after season. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your clematis success stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep blooming.